Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Guide official YouTube channel, and today we will talk about Cosmos, whose symbol is Atom. Before moving to Cosmos, we want to discuss about Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently running at 43.8k, and as you can see, I posted this. We are still holding this level, which can be very strong support. Okay, if you check about my yesterday post, then you will see I posted these two things in which you will see that BTC long areas. You can see here 42, and so this area is still holding the above area which you can see on the post. Okay, which this area I'm talking about, this area. Okay, so you can see Bitcoin is coming here and then went again. Okay, that is very good sign for Bitcoin. I want to give shout out to all VIP premium members who are making great profit with us. Simply join our community if you are looking to make profit in crypto. Simply check pin post on our Telegram channel and check all the things here. Simply message us CG support and you will check amazing benefits inside VIP premium membership. You will get spot call, future call, private chart sharing, 10x project, KuCoin gems, key crypto updates, and VIP refer commission. You will also get money back guarantee for 1 year membership plan. That's amazing. No one giving this in crypto. You will make great profit with us. You will get 3 to 10 minimum signals per day. So this is how you will make money with us. See you inside. Now let's talk about Atom, which is currently running at $28. You can see here, and we already achieved two targets here. You can see this and this. Okay, these targets were posted earlier when Atom was running here. Okay, and we went here. Okay, and we achieved these targets. Now we are again back here on this support area, which is 26 here. You can see, and we want to go again. Simply means we will achieve these targets again today or tomorrow maybe. Okay, there is no fixed time when we will achieve, but mostly. And you can see we already achieved first target. Now we are going for this target, $30. You can see $32 to $31. After this we will go for 33. And why I'm saying these targets are easy to achieve, let me go into more details. You can see here that this area is very strong support area, and you can see this is the trend line support also. You can see this is very good trend line. I'm following it from very long time. You can see, if I want to show you in the back side, you will see that here support, and this also support. Okay, so a lot of support area, and this above trend line also. You can see resistance now acting as a support. You can see this merging is happening here. Okay, this area is merging here. Okay, so that is very strong point for us to go long in the Atom. Okay, so that you can make easy money. If you want to talk about stop loss, then you can choose this area as a stop loss, which will be between $22 and $23. You can see here, but this is very far, so it will be safe for you and you can make good money with from this long. If you want to talk about other targets, then you will see I have other targets also for you. So after hitting these targets, we will go for this target, which is $37. After that it will be $42. So these will be targets which you can easily achieve. Other than this, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe this channel, press this bell icon. Okay, so don't forget to press the bell icon so that next update will be instantly on your mobile. Okay, if you are not part of our Telegram channel, then must join this Telegram channel. If you want to join VIP also, you can contact me. See you in the next video and make a lot of money in crypto. Take care.